Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolates with filling. First, we begin by tempering your chocolate, which is crucial for a glossy finish and a satisfying snap. Gently melt about 2/3 of your chosen chocolate, bringing it to approximately 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, incorporate the remaining 1/3 of solid chocolate, stirring until the temperature drops to around 88 degrees Fahrenheit. This process ensures your chocolate sets beautifully and resists blooming. Next, let's create a delectable filling for your chocolates. In a small saucepan, combine about 1/2 cup of rich heavy cream with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Gently heat this mixture until it just starts to simmer, then immediately take it off the heat. Pour this warm cream over 6 ounces of your finely chopped chocolate or ganache base. Stir until it's perfectly smooth and glossy. Then allow it to cool completely to room temperature before you begin piping. Now it's time to bring your chocolates to life. Carefully pour your tempered chocolate into clean, dry molds, ensuring every cavity is fully coated. Then quickly invert the molds to let any excess chocolate drip out, forming a thin, even shell. Let these shells set for about 10 to 15 minutes in a cool, dry place. Once firm, pipe your delicious, cooled filling into each shell, leaving a small 2 mm gap at the top for the final chocolate layer. For the grand finale, we'll seal your filled chocolates. Take a small amount of your tempered chocolate and carefully pour it over the filled cavities, creating a flat bottom. Use a scraper to remove any excess chocolate from the mold's surface, ensuring a pristine finish. Place the molds in the refrigerator for 20 to 30 minutes to allow the chocolates to fully set. Finally, gently unmold your exquisite, homemade filled chocolates and savor your delightful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.